everyone, this is your daily reading for Thursday the 6th of October. Thanks for joining me. And for today's reading, I'm using the Magical Messages from the Fairies Oracle card deck, and I love the back of these cards. So let's have a look at what the message is today. I love these beautiful autumn colors here. So first card is Let Go. As you surrender the need to control, your relaxed energy rapidly attracts your desires. Assertiveness. Stand up for your beliefs and only say yes if you really want to. And finally, patience, please. What you're asking for is coming about. Have patience, as there are unseen factors that need to occur first. So, let go, and this actually reminds me of the serenity prayer. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. So to let go of the things I cannot change. The courage to change the things I can. So to be assertive about the things that I can change. And the wisdom to know the difference. To sit back and to enjoy and use the wisdom. To know when it's time to let go and when it's time to act. And to have patience for things that are divinely ordained to come about in their own time. So that's really amazing message for the day. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. So use that as a tool to help you on this day. And if you don't know whether you should accept or act, then use that prayer and listen to the message that comes through as a result. Listen to the wisdom that supports you and helps you make decisions on this day. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you would like a private reading with me, please get in touch via my website. It's gregoryscott.com. Click on the readings tab and you can order your reading with me there. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.